My name's Marq Sams, and I practice in Wichita, Kansas. My office is Implant Perio, Kansas. We've been using StellaLife as a product. It's been a fantastic product for us. It's amazing. Why is it amazing? It's amazing because you can almost see the effects of it real time. It's a product that helps with swelling, pain, discomfort. Patients love that, and the patients actually ask for that. The thing that sold me was when I had done a full arch case, 6 implants up top. We placed some of the gel in place, and we were able to see at real time that the reduced swelling in the area. The win is for when the patient comes back and they're saying that they have less pain. We also use it in times where a patient has an autoimmune condition. We've treated patients with steroids, which we try to stay away from that because it has negative effects on some patients. And so we've been using StellaLife to help those patients, and it has had a significant effect. Sometimes the StellaLife works better than even the steroid. So that's a win-win for everybody. I will continue to use it just because it's a fantastic product.